This house, it's 125 years old, built before electricity, before the internet, and heck, probably before avocados were cool. And yet, here I am, building a raised bed garden behind it like it's 3025. This garden is going to grow herbs, vegetables, and probably a few existential questions. But there's a problem. All the water is all the way over there. Like, pack a snack far. And I'm not about to carry buckets like it's 1899. Enter the solar-powered watering system. That's right, this 125-year-old house just got another tech upgrade. It collects power from the sun and pumps water straight from this 5-gallon jug to the garden, which is good because I'd rather use those fingers for modeling 3D designs or some snacks. It's off-grid, low maintenance, and basically magic. So yeah, this house was built before electricity, but now it's powered by the sun. Eat that, history. And I know this video had very little to do with 3D printing, but I am a maker and I have a ton of other interests because I think all of us sort of have ADHD, but that's cool. If you want to see other really cool builds like this, make sure you follow and remember to leave a comment to tell my wife how cool this garden is.